LawnmowerTires.com has been in the tire business for over 17 years, and our lawn tire specialists want you to be as informed as possible when making your purchase. Today we'd like to tell you about an essentially all-terrain mower tire, the Innova Cayman. The Innova Cayman turf tire is a great replacement for your mower or lawn tractor, as it can accommodate a variety of surfaces, including dirt, sand, turf, and paved. The S-tread provides traction with minimal wear on turf, while the broad sidewall provides flotation over sand and dirt. These four plies are tubeless and come with a long tread life. LawnmowerTires.com carries a wide variety of lawn and turf tires, as well as a selection of garden tractor tire chains. We offer top brands, reasonable pricing, and our warehouse, centrally located in the Midwest, provides the fastest shipping possible to our customers. Place your order before 3 p.m., and it ships out the same day. Our customer service team is here to help you, so please don't hesitate to call with questions.